Hey mobile geeks, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something epic for you, a secret hack method to get unlimited diamonds absolutely free in AFK Arena. This method works on all devices: iPad, Android, iPhone. No matter what mobile device you're using, you'll be able to do it. Plus, there's no jailbreak or computer needed. I've tested it myself and it's working flawlessly. As you'll see, the resource gets delivered directly to my account without a hitch. Alright, let's get started. First, make sure your game is updated to the latest version. iPhone users head over to the App Store to check for updates. Android users go to the Google Play Store. If the button says Update, go ahead and install the latest version. Once you're all set, we can move on to the next step. Alright, once your game is updated, open up your favorite web browser and head over to this page. This is where the magic happens. This site has tons of mobile app and game hacks, each with amazing features. But for today, we're focusing on AFK Arena. To find it quickly, just use the search bar at the top and just click on it to open the hack page. After that, you'll be taken to a page with all the details about the hack. To kick off the injection process, just click on that orange button. Don't worry, this method is completely safe and untraceable, so your account is totally secure. Once you confirm, the site will start injecting the mod. This process may take a little time, depending on your internet connection and device performance. In most cases, you'll get a confirmation message once the modification is successfully applied to your account. But sometimes there's one last step. Depending on your device, you may need to verify your account. This ensures that only real users can access the hack. Don't worry, it's super simple and quick. A short video tutorial on the screen will guide you through it. Just follow the instructions and you'll complete it as quickly as possible. Okay, I don't want this video to be too long, so I'll skip it here and come back once my verification is complete. Alright, my verification is complete. I had to do a quick task in a few apps, but it only took a few minutes, totally worth it. Once you finish the steps, the process is done and your resources will be available in-game. Now, launch the game and enjoy your unlimited gameplay. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great content. Let me know in the comments how this trick worked for you. Have fun, and I'll see you in the next video.